Hi. The human brain is an interesting and powerful organ. But understanding why it does what it does is a process that science is still studying. Here are 10 fascinating facts about human psychology. Number 1. Announcing your goals makes you less likely to achieve them. While many people think that by telling others about their goals, they will find a solid support network to help them succeed, multiple studies show that the reality of this is quite the opposite. This is because announcing your plans actually satisfies your self-identity enough to give you a premature sense of completeness. Avoid making these common mistakes if you want to fulfill your goals. Number 2. Eye contact can tell a lot about you. If a person makes eye contact with you for 100% of a conversation, then they are probably trying to threaten you. If they do this for 80% of the conversation, then they may be attracted to you. And if they do it for 60% of the conversation, then it's a good indicator that you are boring them. Number 3. Believing you slept well improves your performance. Known as placebo sleep. Believing that you have slept enough will actually make you feel more refreshed and ready to take on the day's challenges, even if you actually slept too few or too many hours. On the other hand, constantly talking about how exhausted you are will actually make you feel tired and can be detrimental to your performance. Number 4. Thinking in a foreign language makes your decisions more rational. This might sound weird. Found that thinking in a foreign language actually reduced the interference of misleading and deep-seated biases that are known to influence the perception of advantages and disadvantages. Number 5. Spending more money on others makes you happier. This is because we are social creatures and depend on our ability to work as a team with other people to survive. That's why our brain has an inbuilt reward system that sends out oxytocin to make us feel better when we do positive things for others, including spending money on them. Number 6. We don't predict our reaction to future events very well. We often think that we're going to react to a future event in a certain way, only for the event to actually take place and us to find that we reacted completely differently to how we predicted. We place hope in the ability of a single occurrence to be able to change everything, but we often find that it doesn't do much to change how we feel at all. Number 7. We think other people are more easily influenced than us. We can see the effect advertising has on other people more clearly than its impact on ourselves. This is known as the third-person effect. We can tell how an ad affects our peers but deny its effects on ourselves. And it gets worse when it's an ad for something we have no interest in. You have likely not realized it, but all the advertisements you see every day have a subconscious effect on your mood, desires, and even attitude. Number 8. It takes a person 66 days to form a habit. There is a lot of research data that suggests that following a pattern for 66 days will make it habitual. If, for example, you want to be better about cleaning your home or going to the gym, make a conscious effort to do it for 66 days. After which it will become a habit and will be easier to persevere. This also works for breaking habits. Number 9. We can only sustain a high level of concentration for 10 minutes. Do you think you can concentrate on a task for more than 10 minutes? Studies indicate otherwise. On average, a person's attention span peaks after 10 minutes, then the mind begins to wander. Number 10. You get more creative when you're tired. If you're trying to do something creative, like writing a short story or designing a dress, you'd be better off doing it after a long and stressful day. This is because researchers have found that people actually become more creative when their brains aren't functioning as efficiently. This is one of the main reasons why people often get great ideas while taking a shower after a hard day's work. What do you think of these facts? Did you know her? Do you have other facts about humans? Tell me in the comments and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with friends and loved ones. Thank you for the support. I suggest you watch one of these 2 videos. I think you'll enjoy it.